If you're looking for ways to get free PayPal money instantly, you've come to the right place. In this article, we'll discuss 14 different methods you can use to get your hands on some free cash. So whether you're looking to make some extra spending money or earn a full-time income, be sure to check out our list of 14 realistic ways to get free PayPal money instantly. 1. Use Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a popular rewards and cashback site that will pay you for completing various tasks, including taking surveys, watching videos, using coupons, and shopping online. To get started, simply create a free account with Inbox Dollars and start completing tasks to earn points. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash out for PayPal money or gift cards to popular retailers such as Amazon and Walmart. 2. Join Swagbucks. Joining Swagbucks is a great way to earn free PayPal money instantly. Swagbucks is a reward site where you can earn points, called SB, by completing tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, searching the web, and shopping online. You can then redeem your SB for gift cards, including PayPal, or cash out via PayPal. 3. Participate in online surveys. There are plenty of companies that offer this opportunity, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash. To find online surveys, you can search for online surveys or get paid to take surveys in your favorite search engine. You should then sign up with a few different companies in order to start receiving surveys. Once you start receiving surveys, you can begin filling them out and earning money. Usually, each survey will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete, and you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey. 4. Complete short tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to earn some PayPal money, Amazon Mechanical Turk is a great option. You can sign up and start completing short tasks, such as writing product descriptions or labeling images. Each task pays a few cents, and you can cash out once you've earned $10. 5. Play games on Mistplay. There are a lot of ways to make money with Mistplay. You can choose to play games from a variety of genres, including strategy, action, puzzle, and more. Plus, you can compete in weekly tournaments to win prizes. But how do you actually get paid? Well, Mistplay uses a virtual currency called units that can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. So the more units you have, the more money you can make. 6. Sell unwanted items on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. If you have any unwanted items lying around, why not sell them online and earn some free PayPal money? You can list your items on sites like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and if someone is interested, they can purchase them from you using PayPal. Just make sure to set a reasonable price and take good pictures of your items so that they appear attractive to buyers. 7. Offer pet sitting services. If you love animals and live near a pet-friendly area, consider offering your services as a pet sitter. You can watch pets while their owners are out of town, taking them for walks, feeding them, and providing general companionship. Prices vary depending on the services you offer and the area you live in, but you can easily earn $50 or more per day if you're willing to work hard. Check out Rover or Care.com to get started. 8. Participate in focus groups. Most focus groups will pay you between $50 and $200 for your time, and they usually last between 1 and 2 hours. You can usually find focus group studies that pay cash through companies like 2020 Panel or Respondent. 9. Do odd jobs for people in your community. If you're willing to do a few odd jobs for people in your community, you can easily earn some extra PayPal cash. Offer to do yard work, shovel snow, or wash cars. You can also check online platforms like TaskRabbit or Fiverr that connect people who need odd jobs done with freelancers who are willing to do them. While you may not make a ton of money this way, every little bit helps, and it's a great way to earn some extra PayPal cash quickly and easily. 10. Tutor students online. You can earn free PayPal money by tutoring students online. There are a number of platforms that allow you to do this, including Tutor.com and Chegg. You can typically earn $15 minus 20 per hour teaching students from all over the world. 11. Provide freelance services. There are a number of ways to find clients for your freelance business, but one of the best, and easiest, is to simply sign up for a freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Once you create a profile and start bidding on jobs, you'll be well on your way to making some quick and easy PayPal money. 12. Sell handmade crafts or goods online. If you're a creative person, there are plenty of ways to make money from your talents. One option is to sell handmade crafts or goods online. This can be a great way to make some extra cash, and you can set your own prices. There are a few platforms you can use to sell your goods, such as Etsy, Artfire, and Bonanza. You'll need to create a profile and list your items for sale. Once you get started, be sure to promote your products through social media and other channels. 13. Complete data entry work. There are many ways to make money online, but one of the quickest and easiest ways is to do data entry work. There are a number of companies that will pay you to enter data into their systems, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. One company that offers data entry work is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This program allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks like identifying objects in pictures or transcribing short audio files. Another company that offers data entry work is ClickWorker. With ClickWorker, you can sign up for a variety of different tasks, including data research, data cleansing, and data entry. 14. Sell stock photos online. If you've got a knack for photography, you could make some extra cash by selling your photos online. There are a number of stock photo websites where you can upload your images and earn a commission every time someone buys one of your photos. One popular option is iStockPhoto, which allows you to sell your photos for a percentage of the sale price. For example, if someone buys a photo for $10, you'll earn $1.40. Another option is to sell your photos through a site like SmugMug, which gives you more control over pricing and the ability to set up a custom portfolio site. If you're serious about making money from your photos, you can also create prints and other merchandise to sell through your own website or an online storefront.